Hello everyone! Start off by taking a section off the front of the hair and then make multiple sections out of this. We have made 3. Now, after adding multiple rubber bands, puff it out slightly. Next, take a section from the back at the top and then braid this section. Make a ponytail at the bottom and then insert the braid into the ponytail. Next, take a section from the front and then divide it into 3 portions and then begin to braid the hair as such. Now do this on either side, join it at the back in a ponytail and then remove the rubber bands that you had initially added. Then add a decorative rubber band at the back, add multiple sections and multiple rubber bands at the back and then puff it out slightly. Use your fingers in order to do so. Then at the bottom, roll the hair in on itself. Next, tie a ponytail and then tie a ribbon around this ponytail. Now divide the hair into 2 sections as such. Using the ribbon as one of the sections, begin to braid the hair. Use it alternatively and then make it come in the middle of the braid at all times as such. Continue to alternate between both the sections of the ribbon so that it falls in the same place each time. Tie a rubber band at the bottom. Next, take a section from the top and then make 2 more sections right underneath it as such on the side. Puff it out slightly using your fingers and add multiple rubber bands to it. At the base, tie a ponytail and then make 2 braids out of this. Loosen it using your fingers at the side as such. After this, join the 2 together and before you do so, roll the hair up upwards. After you have done this, pin up it in the place and then roll the second braid around it and join it together. Next, take a section from the top, add a rubber band to it. Now pull the hair through and then roll the hair in on itself as such. Braid the hair and then roll it upwards. Roll it in on itself. After this, tie another section on the side, braid it, attach it to the back and then add a bow to it. Next, take a section of the hair from the top and then add a thread to it. After this, add the thread as one of the sections and then begin to braid the hair using this as one of the sections. As you progress, this is what it should look like. Do this only with the front side section of the hair as such. Do this on either side and then bring it together at the back. Tie them both together at the back in a ponytail. After you join them into the ponytail, make another section out of the ponytail, add another rubber band to the middle of this ponytail, roll the ponytail in on itself and bring the other section through, add a bow to the top. Add multiple sections on the front and the side of the hair and then take a section from the back, add another section out of that. Right underneath it, make another section, join the 2 together and then continue to do this until you form a ponytail at the bottom. Take a section off the top of the scalp, make 1 braid out of it and once you reach the midpoint, make 2 braids out of it. Make a heart shape out of it by adding a rubber band in the middle and then join it together at the bottom. Next, take a section at the side and then begin to braid this small section. As you progress with this section, include more and more sections of the hair into it and then join it both together at the back. Make a section at the top and then add multiple rubber bands to it. Loosen the top using your fingers as such. Now roll it up. Underneath it, make 2 more sections and then join it in a ponytail at the bottom. Next, make 3 sections on one of the side of the hair in the front. Then make a braid out of the middle section, join the other 2 ponytails together to this braid as well. Braid the back part of the hair, crisscross it and tie it in the alternate sections that are present. Make a bun at the back. Take a section off the top of the scalp, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. After this, make 2 braids out of the hair, roll it upwards and pull it through. After this, divide the hair up into 2 sections. Then join it on the front, make multiple sections underneath it. Join it at the back in a ponytail and add a bow to it. Thank you for watching.